Yeah, so regarding BTKi strategies in the indolent malignancies, we of course have seen a lot of data over many years looking at our covalent BTK inhibitors and also emerging data on Pirtobrutinib, especially in CLL and SLL. However, I think some of the new aspects to the Pirtobrutinib story that we're seeing at this year's ASH relate to its activity in some of the other indolent B-cell malignancies. So the first one is follicular lymphoma, where we're seeing the specific data for patients with follicular enrolled to the BRUIN trial, which was the phase 1/2 study looking at Pirtobrutinib in a number of B-cell malignancies. And so we see an overall response rate in follicular lymphoma of 50%, which I think actually compares pretty favorably to what we've seen with some other covalent BTK drugs that, none are actually approved in follicular lymphoma at this time. And so it's good to see that Pirtobrutinib has activity and of course has this excellent safety profile that may warrant further study in this indication. Next, there's also a presentation in marginal zone lymphoma, which does have other FDA-approved drugs in the BTKi category. Ibrutinib recently had its label withdrawn, but of course zanubrutinib has the label as well. And so seeing this experience from the BRUIN trial of individuals with marginal zone lymphoma, once again, we're seeing activity of Pirtobrutinib with a response rate, once again, of around 50%, meritorious of further exploration in this population as well.